$57,000 made on 3 days. Trades I share in the private list were Treecle, Multichain, Orchid, SORA. Guys, just mark my words, it's all about the volume. Take a look at Multichain volume, $63,000, $63 million. Let me show how my software picked this coin. Volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give you this example here. Treecle. Go to 7-day charts. Treecle right here. Pay attention how amazing is that. On September 7, the volume of this coin was $18,000 right there. September 9, when I shared this trade in the private list, volume pumped to $144,000. That's what I'm talking about. So I shared this trade in the private list right here on September 9. We bought this coin for 0.0019 and put a sell order up here at 0.0054. 160% profit. I made $16,000 in single trade. Next trade recap, SORA. Exactly the same thing, guys. Buyer needs to control the market. That's the reason I share my trade in the private list. I shared this trade in the private list on September 11. We bought this coin for 0.012, almost 0.02, and put a sell order at 0.06. We made 200%. I made $17,000. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. My software is tracking 3,000 coins right now. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. With this software, I control the entire market. I will let you know also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin in the main cryptos, okay? Let's just keep checking what's going on in the market today. Let's go right here on scalp trade up. Take a look how many coins my software pick. This is a scalp trade up. Let's go here on day trade up. Let's see what's up today. We just spoke about Hit Finance or Child 10 down. It's not working. This is like old coin. We don't trade this coin. We just spoke about Multichain, Jupiter, only 6% profit. ARK today went up 23%. It's pretty good. Tether 23%. Storage 25%. Guys, 3,000 coins every 5 minutes. My software give me the update to what's going on in the market. There's a reason I share my trades in the private list, because more people buying the same coin at the same time. That means more volume. More volume, that means more money. We all need money. We all need volume to make those trades. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out anytime. Daniel from Miami. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed